Algebra 2 students to class today on this Friday the 16th, this Monday the 16th. Hope you guys are doing well today, and hope you're ready to go over some math. We have a lot to do. Here's our schedule for the week. Guys, this video is my only way of communicating with you, so please listen to these announcements. You're responsible for everything that I say, so take good notes. The schedule can sometimes change, but we usually stick with it. Monday's homework, Tuesday's quiz, notes, and homework, so Tuesday will be a full day. Wednesday, notes. Thursday, homework. Friday, quiz, notes, and homework. So there it is, okay? You have nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you on Friday. In fact, that's why we're doing homework today over the notes on Friday, because there's no homework given to you on Friday. Incompletes for Algebra 2, I think we have a couple of those, I think, maybe not. Okay, yes, this was given on Thursday. This is graphing 6 quadratic equations, the parabolas. This was given on Thursday. I did not get it from these 5 students. Now, some of you contacted me, some of you didn't, but this has got to be turned in before Friday, or they will become permanent zeros, okay? So please keep that in mind. And remember, if you're absent one day or many days, it doesn't matter. The first day you come back, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it unless you pre-contact me. Do not get behind when you're absent. Please don't do that to yourself. Today we're going to be working on homework that covers completing the square. Since it has been since Friday that you've had this information, be sure to use the help video to help you with your homework. That'd be very smart to do. The homework that is due tomorrow is right there in front of you. The help video is called Algebra 2, Lesson 5.3 homework. It's about 41 minutes long. For those that play basketball, this is a good chance to get your homework done in class, okay? Now let's talk about test corrections, alright? I told you guys last week they were due Monday, and I forgot to remind you. It's my fault, okay? So, this was assigned last week, and so I want it turned in sometime this week, guys, okay? I'm telling you, I'll try to remind you every day, okay? But they gotta be turned in sometime this week. Please don't forget that. Now, here are the A average people. We have a new person that's joined the ranks, so congratulations to Henry. And no one dropped out of the ranks, so Kobe, Grace, Caitlin, Reagan, Abigail, and Henry, you guys have an A average for this week. Now, Henry, you're new to my class. What that means is for this week, any homework given this week you don't have to do. You get an automatic 100. But Henry and all of you other students, listen. You've still got to do the homework or you're not going to do well in class. So what this allows you to do, it allows you to skip the problems that you're sure you know how to do and you don't need to practice, and work the problems that you're not sure about. Now, I'll be honest with you, most of these students here on this list have been doing all their homework and turning it in, most of them. Okay? That's fine. But what this allows you to do, Henry, Kobe, Grace, Caitlin, Reagan, Abigail, gives you a chance. If you really understand an assignment and you find it easy, you can skip it. Now that we've had one test this 9 weeks, every Monday we're going to reevaluate, okay, where you're at every Monday. So you've got to maintain this A average. If you miss it, then obviously you're going to have to do your homework for that week. But again, use your privilege with caution. Okay, let's talk about what will be on your quiz tomorrow. I'm going to tell you exactly what's on your quiz. You're going to write it down, listen, study, and do well, or you're not. That's your business, and I hope you will listen well, okay? Here's exactly what will be on your quiz tomorrow. I'm going to give you a quadratic equation that does not have an x term. Let me say that again. I'm going to give you a quadratic equation on your quiz that does not have an x term, and you're going to solve it using the square root method. Now, if you're confused, go back and watch the 5.1 video. Got it? 5.1. Another problem on your quiz will be graphing quadratics, where you get the parabolas like this and fill in the table of values. One of those will be on your test, or your quiz, excuse me, okay? quadratic equation that does have an x term, so you cannot use the square root method, and you'll have to solve it using CTS. Now, I might give you two of each, I might give you one of each, but there's the three types of problem that will be on your quiz tomorrow. Man, what a chance to get an easy grade, guys. I've told you exactly what's on it, okay? Alright, let's continue on. That's all for today. Please get started with your homework. Work hard today. Don't disturb Miss Carol's class. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.